This table is crap. Hello and welcome back to Classic Helmets. It is a rather grey and bleak looking day in Northern Ireland, but I have something very exciting to show you. So if we have a look over here, we have an Arai helmet box and some cleaning material, including my trusty Vulcanet wipes, and then muck-off visor and goggle spray, muck-off interior anti-odour spray, and some light degreaser and light penetrant for side pods and stiff working parts. So today really is about unboxing this helmet. As I mentioned in my previous video, this is quite a rare and collectible replica of 2000 500cc world champion Kenny Roberts Jr. Let's get the box open. Now this box is not the original box, but the fact it is presented in a clean and modern Arai box is actually a very good sign from my perspective. It means that somebody has at least attempted to look after it and keep it in good shape. But the proof, as always, is in the eating. So let's have a look. Top flaps open. So we have the top bubble wrap and the What's It crisp style, snack style packaging, which is good. We have the original manual and stickers, which is sealed. That's quite nice, nice touch. We have the helmet itself, not in the RX-7 style cloth bag, but in a blue one. Again, that could be from the helmet which was originally in this newer Arai box. Now let's have a look at this. I have to say, initially, this looks very good actually. There's a little touch-in mark at the front, just below the Arai sticker. There's a slight touch-in mark on the Arai sticker here, but again, that's not going to bother me or most people. Rear diffusers are not cracked. These diffusers here, they can sometimes crack along the main frame. That's good. All vents are working nicely so far. Yeah, front vent as well. Let's have a look at the interior liners as well. Sniff test, very clean. I get the impression at least the crown liner has been replaced, because the crown liner is very, very fresh. Cheek pads as well are very clean and tidy. This has barely been used. The paintwork and the colour has not faded at all. This is the Corsair model, RX-7 Corsair. I've sold a couple of double R4 models which preceded this, and the paint fade on the blue and the red is noticeable. But on this, it's fantastic. This, I believe, is a 2002 till 2005 Kenny Roberts Jr. replica while he was racing for Suzuki in Moto Grand Prix. I think he took a few podiums. I think he took a podium in Brazil 2002 on the GSVR and Donington Park 2005, both wet races. KRJR, as he was known, was quite a good wet racer. So next on the list is to get the helmet cleaned up. It's actually very clean itself, but just for peace of mind, I like doing it myself. I'm just going to check that the side pods are not loose on here, because that can cause issues. What I'm basically looking for, over time, there's little black lugs here, and over time these can deteriorate and basically ping off. I'm just looking for that initially before I get the visor off, because it can be quite delicate. I think we're okay. Let's go in for the kill and give it a whirl. That's a reassuring noise. Perfect. Yep, the side pods from up here. Yep, they look and sound perfect to me. Wow, this was a really good find. I'm very pleased with this. Sometimes when you buy RX-7 replicas that are more nostalgic and a little bit older, you can find defects like vents not working, side pods broken, cracks in the diffusers, but this is fine, and the interior liners are superb. This is a size medium. This would actually fit me. Yeah, that's lovely. That goes straight on. Really comfortable as well. The previous generation RX-7s was still really, really comfortable. This works here, the little pull down on the chin and neck area. The straps and the strap covers are in excellent condition. Another telltale sign, by the way, and I hope the camera can pick this up. You see that little white and red sticker? Just here? That is very clean and tidy. That shows minimal wear. So this helmet has really not been used that much. Probably just for a Sunday ride. Maybe the chap before had a Telefonica Movistar Suzuki replica. So now I've had a visual inspection of the helmet and I'm very happy. The next step is to basically give it a quick clean. It doesn't need much. I'm just doing this more for my peace of mind and to make sure that I'm happy that the helmet is going to leave Classic Helmets in a very good positive state. So now moving over to our slightly larger child size table, let's do some housekeeping. So I don't need these two for now. I don't need the cloth bag for now. I don't need the manual for now. The next step is to give the helmet shell a quick once over. As I mentioned before, it is very clean. Yeah, this doesn't need much. So the next stage is photographing the helmet. And the final photographing stage is in the photo tent where I can show off any potential marks or defects, show off the quality and condition of the helmet itself. Okay, now that it's been photographed, it's time to put it on eBay. Well, thank you very much for tuning in to Classic Helmets. If you'd like to see more content featuring some classic, obscure and very collectible Arai and Shoei helmets, please subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, that would be fantastic. Please feel free to comment if you have any questions or any thoughts or any comments in general. Please also consider giving the video a share. So from Northern Ireland, thank you very much. You've been watching Classic Helmets. Goodbye.